Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the day 1 of quarter 3, week 5, typhoon formation and the structure of a typhoon. Objectives: identify the 5 essential conditions needed for a typhoon to form. Show appreciation for the importance of understanding typhoons as part of disaster awareness and preparedness. And describe the 3 main parts of a typhoon: the eye wall, and rain bands, and their respective characteristics. For motivational activity, let us answer these questions or these statements by answering real or fake. Number 1, a typhoon is a type of storm that forms over warm ocean water. Okay, that is real. Typhoons only form in the Atlantic Ocean. That is fake. Number 3, warm ocean water provides energy for a typhoon to grow. Okay, real. High humidity in the air helps clouds and rain bands to form. Okay, real. The eye of a typhoon is the most dangerous part. Okay, fake. Actually, yung pong eye is yung pinakakalmadong part. The eye wall surrounds the eye and has very strong winds. Okay, real. Rain bands are spiraling clouds and rain around the eye wall. Strong wind sure helps a typhoon stay organized. Okay, that is fake. The Coriolis effect makes the storm spin and form a regular shape. Okay, real. The eye of a typhoon usually has calm winds and clear skies. Okay, real. In typhoon formation, a typhoon is a powerful tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. It is the same type of storm as a hurricane, Atlantic, or cyclone in Indian Ocean. The name just depends on where it forms. To form a typhoon, we have 5 main conditions. Okay, number 1, warm ocean water. The sea surface temperature must be at least 26.5 degrees Celsius. Warm water provides the energy that fuels the storm. So, mas mataas ang temperature niyan, mas mataas ang possibility of typhoon formation. And number 2, sufficient moisture in the air. High humidity helps clouds and rain bands form. And number 3, low pressure area or the LPA. This allows air to rise and form circular wind patterns. The Coriolis effect. The Earth's rotation causes the storm to spin, helping it form a circular shape. And weak wind shear. If the winds at different heights move in the same direction and speed, the storm stays organized. Strong wind shear can break it apart. And the structure of a typhoon. A typhoon is made up of 3 main parts. We have eye wall, and then rain bands. The calm center of the typhoon. Ito yung pinakakalmadong lugar. Actually, ito po yung usually 20 to 50 kilometer wide. And kapag nadaanan ka po ng mata ng bagyo yung lugar, ay napakainit. Maraming bagyo ng ganyan nangyari na akala nila walang bagyo kasi mainit. Ang pala nasa mata ng bagyo, nasa yung pinakagitna. So ang niya is 20 to 50 kilometers wide. So pinakakalmado yan, and mainit nga ang panahon kapag nandyan mismo sa pinakamata ng bagyo. And number 2, eye wall, the most dangerous part of the storm. Nandyan yung malakas na hangin, surrounds the eye with very strong winds and heavy rainfall. Winds can reach over 200 km per hour in this area. Yung rotational po yan, yung pag-ikot, yung bilis na yan na 200 km per hour. And then number 3, rain bands. Bands of clouds and rain spiraling around the eye wall. So bring heavy rains and gusty winds. So example, think of a donut. The hole is the eye, the edges are the eye wall, and then the swirls around it are the rain bands. So for assessment, let us answer these questions. Okay, number 1, what is the minimum sea surface temperature needed for a typhoon to form? Yun, na-discuss natin yan kanina. That is 26.5 degrees Celsius. Which part of a typhoon is calm and has clear skies? Okay, that is eye. Number 3, what effect causes a typhoon to spin? Ayan, yung tinatawag natin na Coriolis effect, the rotation, the spin based on the Earth's rotation. Which condition weakens or destroy a forming typhoon? Okay, that is the strong wind shear. What is found in the eye wall? Okay, that is the strongest winds and heaviest rain. What do rain bands mainly bring? Okay, heavy rain and gusty winds. Which part of a storm provides the energy needed for a typhoon to grow stronger? Okay, the answer is warm ocean water. What do low pressure areas allow the air to do? Okay, that is rise and rotate. Yung tinatawag natin na convection current. Why is humidity important in typhoon formation? So it helps form clouds and rain bands. Which statement best describes the structure of a typhoon? Okay, that is letter C. The eye wall has the strongest winds surrounding the calm eye.